Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from YUNZII. This is the YUNZII X98, which is a 96% clear mechanical keyboard. As you can see from the top of the box, we have two color variants. We have all clear, so see-through clear, and we have all clear in pink with a pinkish tint. They both look great. I think we have the clear variant right here for us. And obviously being clear, you can see that beautiful RGB better, it will stand out. It has 3-mode connection, so basically it's Bluetooth, wireless with a 2.4 gigahertz receiver and wired. And I think it has a 8000 milliamp hour battery. Let's check the specs on the back. So on the back we have X98 YUNZII 8000 milliamp hour and where it's made. Yeah, so pretty much those are the specs. We have some top features right here on the corner, which are aesthetics, mechanical precision, and user creativity. Pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're going to put it to the test. We're gonna have it next to our setup. You guys can see the RGB. Maybe we do a sound test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box we have quite a few stuff, so let's go ahead and go through them. Obviously we're gonna start with the small stuff first, like always. So we have a user manual right here, tells you everything you need to know. We have a quick start guide, again tells you everything you need to know, all the commands, how to pair it with multiple devices in Bluetooth. I suggest you give both of these a read. It will help you understand what this keyboard can do and how you can use it to its max potential. We have a keycap and a switch puller right here, pretty basic one. We have a USB type A to USB type C coiled braided cable. Looks like it has a nice length to it. This can be used to basically both use the keyboard in wired mode or charge it if you don't have a spare USB Type-C cable, but all the manufacturers recommend using their cable. It's made to the specs of the keyboard. They included some spare switches right here. We have 4 spare switches, and we have some spare keycaps. We got about 5 spare keycaps. Obviously they got some symbols on them. We have the insert key, we got some stars, the pause key. Looks really great. Camera has a bit of trouble focusing because obviously it's clear. And we have the keyboard itself, which is right here. It comes with a dust cover, so you can always protect it from the dust whenever you are not playing or just charging it. This is how the keyboard looks like. We have a volume knob right here on the top with a clickable switch, so basically that's for play and pause. We have the full layout, missing obviously just some keys, being a 96% layout, but most of the keys that you need are already here. On the back of the keyboard we have a YUNZII metal plate. On all corners, all 4 corners, we have some rubber feet, so once you place the keyboard on your desk, it's not gonna slide everywhere when you press it. We have some adjustable stands right here. You can adjust it in different levels, so this being all the way high, then you can make it medium. These have those rubber feet as well, so it will always grip on your desk. And if we have a look at the top right here, we have the USB Type-C port, which I told you can use it either in wire mode with the wire or charge the keyboard. And we have a switch for Bluetooth, wired, and wireless. And pretty much that's it. That's all you get with the keyboard. I am going to go ahead now and put it to the test. I'm gonna have it next to my setup so you guys can basically, as I told you, see how everything looks like and how it will look next to a mouse and a setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after setting everything up, this is how it looks. As you can see, that RGB looks absolutely amazing. This is how the keyboard looks. Everything works right off the box. We have switched to the wireless mode, 2.4 gigahertz. Basically just tap the switch to the desired icon if you want to use Bluetooth or you want to use 2.4 gigahertz. And to connect it was super simple. Take the receiver, which by the way, I didn't show you guys in the other part of the video, but it's under this icon right here. So you'll find the receiver right here, and all you have to do is just take it out and plug it into any available USB Type A port on your device. I plugged mine right here in front of my PC in the front I/O, and everything just works straight out of the box. The keyboard is super responsive, so as you can see, I'm tapping the Windows key. It's instant, no delay, even in wireless mode. Again, I'm super impressed by the RGB. This being clear, it really puts the RGB in evidence. You can change the RGB modes however you desired. I said you should read that quick start guide. It will tell you all the hotkeys and everything you need to know. And also, the keyboard being made of plastic, it actually sounds decent. So if we go close with the camera to the keyboard and we try to type something, it still has that mechanical feel, even though it's made out of plastic, but it has some foam inside, it has some sound insulation, so it's made to sound and feel like a proper mechanical keyboard. And pretty much that's it. It's a great keyboard. I would definitely recommend it, especially for the aesthetics. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. You can check YUNZII's website for more keyboards and accessories. They have plenty. They really do good quality keyboards and mouses and whatever. I'm not sure if they have mouses, but they have mouses from other brands on their website. But yeah, if you guys want to buy it, as I said, I'll have a link in the bio below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.